Welcome to this part of the tutorial. Today we want to talk about thumbnail psychology. What makes people click on your thumbnail? Now let me ask you, what really makes a thumbnail powerful? The answer is one word: psychology. Thumbnail is not just a picture, it's a silent salesman convincing viewers to click your video. Here are the key principles. Number one, the faces and emotions. People are wired to notice faces. Thumbnails with clear, exaggerated emotions like shock, happiness, or curiosity grab more attention. As you can see here, this particular emotion is shock or surprise, but while this one is just a smile or a laughter. So why is he laughing? Now let me tell you, the emotion should also match with the text that you put on the thumbnail. That also takes us to the second thing that we want to mention. And the second thing is your text. Now, your text should be bold, minimal, and you should use 3 to 5 words maximum. If you have a bold and minimal text, it will be easy to read and it will create instant clarity. For example, shocking thumbnail. My first shocking thumbnail. It is bold and it is clear, not so? All right. So if you compare this with this is not bold. So somebody may just try to read this, but may not just get the point at the first sight. So this is not a good example. Now let's talk about something else. High contrasting colors. Your thumbnail should have high contrast colors. Bright colors like yellow, red, or neon green pop against YouTube's white and dark background. Yes, YouTube, as you can see here, has a white background and it also has fonts that are black. So when you have colors like yellow, you have red, you have neon green on your thumbnail will stand out because it will contrast with the YouTube background. So you can see here, this thumbnail has the contrasting colors that we are talking about. For example, you see yellow here and you also see red color here. This particular thumbnail may be lost in YouTube because it is not contrasting. So let's now talk about something else. Curiosity gaps. Don't give everything away. Create a sense of mystery in your thumbnail. For example, instead of just saying how to fix a phone, you can just say the shocking fix for this phone problem. Like this example right now on your screen, instead of just saying my thumbnail sample that I made first, just say my first shocking thumbnail. So somebody will wonder, why do we call it shocking? And the person will just want to see why you are saying that it is a shocking thumbnail. So with that, you are creating a curiosity gap. Now let's talk about the fifth thing. The fifth thing is simplicity. You should avoid clutter. One main subject, a few words, and strong contrast is often more powerful than a busy design. For example, if you add more designs here, let's say you go to your elements here and then you add all this design here and elements here. Let us send it to back so that our text will show. So we send it to back. So let's say you want to create something like this and then you just busy designing your thumbnail and you see it is even worse. So your thumbnail should be simple. You should avoid clutter. Don't add so many things. As you can see, this design is very excellent and you should have one main subject. This is the subject we are talking about, the thumbnail. A few words, shocking, my first, and then a strong contrast is often more powerful than the design. You see how we select the color of this font. The font color is contrasting with the background color, but this is a very bad example. So don't just use something like this. I hope you've taken note of the things that we've mentioned here. The goal is simple. Your thumbnail should trigger emotion and curiosity instantly. Now let's go through what we have discussed. If you have somebody's face on your thumbnail, it should show the emotion of that person. Is it shock? Is it happiness? Is it curiosity? And things like that. And then if you also have text on your thumbnail, it should be bold and minimal. You should not have so many text on your thumbnail, but you should make it brief and straight to the point. And it should also have high contrast color on your thumbnail. So the high contrast color, remember we mentioned that it is yellow, red, neon green, and colors like that against YouTube background color that is white and black. We also mentioned the four things that you should create curiosity gaps. So curiosity gaps is words like shocking or secrets or things like that that will make somebody to be curious about what is happening. Now, you should also make your thumbnail simple. You should avoid clutter, have one main subject and few words. So I want to tell you to apply these principles and design your next thumbnail. And if you have any question, just ask me and you will see the difference in the number of views that you have on your social network. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching up to this point.